Do you know what is frozen set in Python? Hi, this is Krupali from KnowHow Academy. Let me tell you first what you are going to learn in this video. In this video, you will learn why there is a need of frozen set data structure. Second, what is frozen set data structure? And the third thing, what are the interview questions that can be asked from this topic. So let's start. So let me tell you first why there is a need of frozen data structure in Python. As you know that what is set data structure? Set data structure store the unique item. But what if I want to make a data structure which store unique item and later on you cannot modify it? So if you want this kind of data structure, so you need to use frozen set data structure. So that's why there is a need of frozen set data structure. The next thing is, what is frozen set data structure? So frozen set basically is a kind of set in Python in which you cannot add item, you cannot remove item once the set data structure is formed. So that is called immutable data structure. So frozen set is a kind of immutable data structure in Python. Let me tell you, there is one similarity between the frozen set and tuple, and there is one difference between frozen set and tuple. Let me first tell you the difference. The difference between frozen set and tuple is that tuple can store duplicate item while frozen set cannot contain duplicate item. The similarity is that frozen set and tuple both are immutable data structure. So let's implement practically. So how you can make frozen set? So for that you need to write the name of a set variable or frozen set variable. Then you need to write frozen set, and inside square bracket you need to mention the list. Basically square bracket is a kind of list data structure. So a combination of tuple and list that make a frozen set, but here unique item it will store. Let's say if I try to store the item again, and let me just print it. You can see that automatically it will discard the duplicate value. So this way you can make frozen set data structure. Now let's test whether it's mutable or immutable. I am trying to add one more item in frozen set. So f1 dot add, and I am adding 5 inside that, and let's hit enter. So here it is generating an error. That means it is immutable. Let's try to remove that also. f1 dot remove. Here it is generating an error. So you can say that frozen set is a immutable data structure. You can perform union, intersection, difference operation on frozen set, but you cannot edit the item. If you don't know about what is set, what is dictionary, what is Python data structure, we have already created a video on different data structure of Python, that is set, list, tuple. So if you don't know anything about the data structure, the link is given in the description and you can check it out, and then you can see this video. So you will get an idea. Now it's time for interview question that can be asked based on that topic. So the interview question can be define frozen set data structure. Second question can be, what is the difference between set and frozen set? The third question can be, find the symmetric difference between set and frozen set. The next interview question can be, define a real life situation where frozen set is useful. So that type of interview question that can be asked from this topic. Thank you for choosing KnowHow Academy as a source of your IT knowledge. We are always here to help you to navigate to the tech world. If you have any question, do not feel hesitate to reach out to us. Stay curious, keep learning.